Babson besties! I've been watching Stranger Things season 4 on Netflix, and this season has got me totally creeped out. You know what I mean? Sorry, spoilers. But I loved the video store. So let's make one in miniature for our dolls. In our Barbie Extra Doll 14 video, we made VHS tapes. Then I used that design to make movie rentals. This is a free printable that is available on our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. In our Tech and Stuff album, I set my printer to high quality and printed on cardstock. Cut out the VHS front and back and the sleeve, as well as one of the templates. To save time, I placed the template on my paper cutter and made marks where I need to line up my paper. Then take black cardstock and line it up and cut. Then I go to the other line and cut them smaller, allowing me to cut several a lot faster. Begin gluing them together, apply glue, and stack them together. Cut out the front and back and glue them on to make a VHS tape. Carefully cut out the sleeve, fold on the lines, then glue down the top, then glue the bottom. Then we can place the VHS inside and make a whole bunch more. As a little cheat, I made another printable that we can glue directly onto the wall. So let's make walls. Our store has more of a 90s Blockbuster vibe rather than 80s, but I'm okay with that. That's why it's inspired. For the walls, I'm using foam board. This measures 20 by 30 inches. I cut a piece that is 13 inches tall and 30 inches wide. Measure over 13 inches from the sides and draw a line. Score the line so it can bend. Repeat on the other side to make a trifold. On this wall, let's put a window and maybe a door. I hang on to the cutouts because we might be able to use them later. I cover the bottom of the walls with a blue paper. In the show, I think it was green, but we're going with blue. Cut clear plastic from packaging to tape behind the cutouts. I frame the cutout on the door with silver paper. From the leftover foam board, cut a floor and door and window trim. Cover the floor with paper and glue it into the back corner of the room. And let's cover the outside of the box as well. I'm using our printable brick, and I have a printable so we can make a sign. And I added a little foil paper onto the door. Now inside, glue foam board around the door and window. Glue the printable onto the side wall past the bend. I trimmed 2 side by side and placed them going across. I cut a 13 by 13 inch square from leftover foam board, cover it with paper to make a floor extension that can fit inside the box when it's time to be put away. I cut foam board into 3/4 inch strips and glue them onto the printable, onto the sides and going across. That one doesn't fit. Take 2 on the sides and going across to make shelves. And those printed lines really help to keep things even. And now it looks like we have shelves that are fully stocked with movies, and I have more time to finish making my individual ones. To add more color, I'm putting yellow across the top and a few printables. We made a movie poster from our Stranger Things thumbnail a while back. I glued it to a piece of black foam board. I did have to size it down a little so it can fit in my room. Glue on acrylic gems, then attach it to the wall. I used poster putty in case I ever want to change it. Make sure everything can still close. Looks like I have about a good 3 inches of floor space in there. So I cut another piece of foam board, glue our printable shelves on the front and back, cut and glue foam board onto the sides, add shelves so we can hold more videos. I made sure it was no wider than 2.5 inches so it can easily fit in the box. And I added some glue sticks underneath for weight. Let's add a cutout from a doll box. As a little movie promo, we have a printable TV screen. I cut it out and glued it onto foam board. Then I glue strips around the edges, making a little box that we can attach to the wall, so the customers can get a preview of the latest movie. We can add some of our policies around. I'm gonna place one in the window, completing our video store in a hidden doll room. We can move this shelf to open up more space, and so we can close it up for storage. Everything fits inside, including the floor. And if we remove the shelf, we have a pretty decent storefront as well. I've been making miniature tapes for hours. My nail polish is completely destroyed. And I still don't have enough to fill all the shelves, but we do have enough to spread around, giving our scene a little more dimension. And over time, hopefully I will be able to fill all the shelves, but this is definitely a great start. And now our dolls can walk through the video store and pick out their favorite movie. Ooh, Summer and Callie. What's that? Life on the Shelf? How do I choose? I'll take them both. So our Stranger Things inspired kind of turned into more of a 90s look. But the inspiration did start with Stranger Things. It's funny how the mind works. Thank you for joining us while we made a video store in a hidden doll room. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. And follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.